Good evening, all. I am S. Vijayalakshmi, working as an assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to discuss about automata theory and compiler design under the topic stock implementation of a Shift Reduce Parser. We in the previous session we already know about bottom up parsing, especially shift reduce parser. The shift reduce parser is one of the bottom up parser, and it has the possible four possible actions. First one is shift reduce accept and error. Shift means then move the input string tokens into the top of the stock. Reduce, replace the handle on the top of the stock by the non-terminal. Accept means if any other successful completion of parsing, if any other starting symbol is continued, it's a successful. Then error, parser discovers syntax error if there is no possible moves. Okay, then let us go through this by example, by step. From this, first we initialize the stock containing the n marker dollar symbol, and the end of the input string also marked by the n marker dollar symbol. It's a equal to e tends to e plus t or t equal to T star F or F equal to ID. This is the protection rule, and it's also called as a grammar, a regular grammar. So we implement the stock implementation. So we assign stock input and action. And then input string is ID plus ID int ID. So where dollar marks the end of the input. So first step, it's a shift operation. That means dollar I dot ID. It's a shift operation. Stock represents dollar symbol, and then action is shift ID. Shift means move the next token into the stock. So it's reduced by F equal to ID. That means input is plus ID star ID dollar. So it's replaced by this protection rule F equal to ID. Whenever the top stock matches with the right hand side of the rule, we replace the left hand side. So ID by F. So ID by F. Likewise, step number 3, stock is F used, and then I plus ID into ID dollar reduced by F with T. That means reduced by E with T. Then next action is shift. Stock is T, input is plus ID uh, star ID. That means shift operation. Then again E plus T. So stock is E plus ID into ID. That means here ID is replaced by F is replaced by T. Third step is over. Then again is replaced by E. Then again also ID plus ID is replaced by F. Again F is replaced by T. Then E plus T shift, and then E plus T star. Stock is E plus T star, but in the input string is ID. Then shift operation is over. Then F equal to ID. Then T into ID, it's reduced by F with ID, then E plus T star F. There is no input string, reduced by T equal to T star F is replaced by T. Then E plus T reduced by E equal to E plus T. So E with E plus T. Then we get the E is the starting symbol. So accept this string. So key ideas for this: shift push the next symbol and then input string. We get the to check the input string and error if no valid shift or reduce is possible. So here in this example, it shows that how the reduce parser reduces the ID plus ID into the start symbol E by choosing when to shift or when to reduce. Then thank you.